Good morning, children. Children, today we have the session of lesson reading. Okay? So, I will read the lesson. Observe the pronunciation carefully and after watching the video, read the lesson once again. What is our lesson name? India or states. Do you know how many states there are in India? There are not 29 beta, this is 28 states. India also has 7, not 7 here, now we have 9. 9 union territories. Find out more about the state you are currently living in. Okay? India is the 7th biggest country in the world. To rule or administer any big country well, it is divided into units called provinces or states. India is a union of 28 states and 9 union territories, including the national capital territory of Delhi. The names of states in the alphabetical order with their capitals and some interesting facts are as follows. Did you know our states and union territories are as diverse as the different countries of Europe? The cultural pageant and floats on Republic Day give us a glimpse of this. What do you remember of the Republic Day parade? Discuss in class. So list of states over here is there. First one is Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Interim capital is Hyderabad. Till now, new capital is ready within 10 years. Okay. So, Telugu coastal region about Andhra Pradesh. Telugu coastal region, major rivers Krishna and Godavari. 8th largest state of India. It has the second longest coastline of all states. Next only to Gujarat, coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema together are referred as Seemandhra. Visakhapatnam is the largest city. It has a shipyard and steel plant. Kuchipudi dams, largest producer of rice. Tirupati is a pilgrim center. Satish Dhawan Space Center is situated in Sriharikota. Then Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar capital. Monpa, Aka and 15 other languages. Density of population, least in India. Borders of China. Easternmost state of India. It is the landlocked state. Assam, Dispur, Assami and Bengali, dominated by Brahmaputra Valley. Rainfall among the highest in the world. Kaziranga and Manas sanctuaries. The one-horned rhinoceros is protected here. Oil fields found here. Famous for tea. Bihu festival. Bihar, Patna. Hindi, Bhojpuri. Rivers Ganga and Gandhak. Rich in minerals. Ancient sites like Nalanda and Bodh Gaya. 5th, Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital. Hindi. Declared as a new state on 1st November 2000. Rich in minerals, forests and forest products. Bhilai steel plant is located here. Then Goa. Capital is Panaji. Konkani and Marathi. Smallest state located on west coast. Jari and Mandovi rivers. Tourist spots include Bom Jesus Basilica, Say Cathedral and Golden Beaches. Then Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital. Gujarati. Narmada, Tapti and Sabarmati rivers. Biggest producer of cotton and groundnut. Gir sanctuary. Amul milk powder, butter and chocolates are made here at Anand. Then Haryana. Capital is Chandigarh. Language is Hindi. Yamuna river. Maruti cars produced at Gurgaon. Tractors at Pinjo. Then Himachal Pradesh. Capital is Shimla. Hindi and Pahari are the languages. Almost entirely mountainous. Sutlej, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Yamuna rivers. Famous for apples. Hill stations such as Shimla and Dharmshala. Plenty of wildlife. Then Jammu and Kashmir, it is not a state. Okay. So, what we will learn about the facts and we will learn about this under union territory. So, about interesting facts, Urdu and Kashmiri, Dongri and Ladakhi spoken over here. Famous for handcrafts, paper, machine products and carpets. Dal Lake, houseboats and boats called shikaras are famous over here. River Jhelum flows through the state. This flows through these two UTs, known for its apples and saffron. Then Jharkhand. Jharkhand's capital is Ranchi. Hindi is language. Formed in 15th November 2000. Very rich in minerals. Still plant at Bokaro. Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital. Kannada is the language. Has a coastline along the Arabian Sea. Two important rivers are Krishna and Kaveri. Biggest producer of coffee. Jog Falls and Bandipur Sanctuary located here. Famous for sandalwood handicrafts. Kerala. Capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Malayalam is the language. Lies along the Arabian Sea. Land of rivers and backwaters. Kerala produces 92% of India's rubber and 70% of its coconut. Land of boat races and Kathakali dance. Onam is an important festival here. Then Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Hindi language includes Vindhya and Satpura ranges, Sanchi Stupa, Khajuraho temples and marble rocks at Jabalpur are some attractions. Kanha National Park and Bandhavgarh National Park located here. Then Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital. Marathi Hindi languages. Major rivers Godavari and Krishna. Mumbai is the headquarters of almost all major banks. It is also India's biggest harbour. Tourist attractions include Ajanta, Ellora and Elephanta caves. Petroleum drilled at Bombay High. Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival here. Then Manipur. Capital is Imphal. Manipuri is the language. Borders Myanmar. Manipuri dance and handicrafts are well known. Meghalaya. Capital is Shillong. Kashi, Garo and English languages. Magnificent scenery, waterfalls. Exclusive state for Garo, Kashi and Jantia tribes. The wettest places in the world, Cherrapunji and Maisanyaram, are located here. Mizoram. Capital is Aizawl. Mizo and English languages. Borders Bangladesh and Myanmar. Hilly region, rich in flora and fauna. It has a highly literacy rate. It has. Then Nagaland. Capital is Kohima. English, Ao, Angami, Konyak and Lotha languages. Mountainous territory between Brahmaputra Valley and Myanmar, known for its colorful shawls. Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Oriya is the language. Lies along a Bay of Bengal. Mahanadi Delta. Bhubaneswar, Konark, Kandagiri and Udayagiri tourist attractions. Chilika Lake and Sanctuary. Hirakud Dam and Mahanadi. Odissi dance. Puri Jagannath Rathayatra is famous. Punjab. Capital is Chandigarh. Punjabi is the language. Shares a border with Pakistan. Satluj Beach and Ravi rivers. Golden Temple at Amritsar and Rapport Tourist Center. Known for Bhagra and Gidda dance. Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital. Hindi and Rajasthani languages. Includes dry deserts, Chambal ravines and Aravalli region. Water from Satluj brought by Indira Gandhi Canal. Mount Abu, Ajmer, Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Alwar, major tourist centers. Sariska and Bharatpur sanctuaries, largest state in India. Then Sikkim, capital is Gangtok. Lepcha, Bhutia, Hindi and Nepali languages. Mountainous region, Kanchenjunga, third highest peak in the world, is here. Then Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Tamil is the language. Lies on the east coast along Bay of Bengal. Kaveri, important river. Land of temples. Kotalaram, Hoganakkal Falls, Mudumalai, Annamalai and Vedantangal sanctuaries. Bharatanatyam Center, famous for Kanchipuram silks. Telangana, Hyderabad is the capital. Telugu and Urdu languages. Created on midnight of 1st June 2014 after the old Andhra Pradesh was divided. Became the 29th state of India. Famous places: Charminar, Golconda, Falkunama Palace, Bhadrachalam Temple, a pilgrim center. Kuntala Falls are here. Famous for Bidri work. Banginepalle mangoes come from here. It is mineral rich state. Tripura. Capital is Agartala. Bengali, Manipuri and Kokabodok languages. Surrounded by Bangladesh on 3 sides. Natural gas found here. Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Hindi and Urdu languages. Most populous state. Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti and other rivers flow through UP. Largest producer of food grains. Holi, Triveni Sangam at Allahabad. Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital. Hindi is the language. formed on 9th November 2000. 11 out of 12 districts situated on the Garhwal Kuman Hills. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Nainital and Mussoorie attract pilgrims and tourists. West Bengal, Kolkata is the capital. Bengal is the language. Jute, tea and all seeds grown here. Victoria Memorial at Kolkata is famous. India's first science city was established at Kolkata. Durga Puja is an important festival here. Then comes to list of union territories, their capitals and some interesting facts. First, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Port Blair is the capital. Bengali, Hindi, Nicobarese, Tamil and Telugu languages. Barren Islands has an active volcano. Biggest union territory. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital. Hindi and Punjabi languages. The capital, Chandigarh, is common to Punjab and Haryana. A modern, well-laid out city designed by Swiss-French architect named Le Corbusier. Dadra Nagar Haveli. Silvassa, capital. Bhili, Lodi, Gujarati and Hindi languages. Once under the Portuguese, it is now under the control of Indian administrator. Daman and Diu. Daman is the capital. Gujarati and Marathi is the language or the languages separated from Goa when Goa became a state. Daman is on the coast. Diu is an islet of the Kathiawar Peninsula. Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is the capital. Malayalam is the language. Smallest union territory. Only 10 of 36 islands are inhabited. Varied and elaborate marine life. Puducherry. Puducherry is capital. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, English and French languages. The union territory includes Karaikal, Yanam and Mahe. Sri Aurobindo Ashram is in Puducherry. Then Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar is the capital. Srinagar as well as Jammu. Srinagar summer capital, Jammu winter capital. We already know about the interesting facts about Jammu and Kashmir. And Ladakh. Leh is the capital. And then Delhi, national capital territory of Delhi. New Delhi is the capital. Hindi, Punjabi and Urdu languages. Numerous monuments such as Humayun's tomb, Old Fort, Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Lotus Temple found here. Okay children, this is about our India our states. I hope you understood the pronunciation properly. So after watching video, again read the lesson one more time. Okay. So this is for today and we will meet in the next session. Bye bye.